Mommy? We need trees. Our city needs to change. Our children need fresh air.
Green roofs, street trees, garden sidewalks. The green truck is here!
First tree. Our first tree for a better city!
Trees take up parking space.
Hey! Where will cars park?
This is wasted space. We need fresh air.
Business need parking.
Children need clean air.
Cars have nowhere to go. Studies show trees improve quality.
Costs too much. Long-term benefits.
Order! I have made a decision.
The Green City Project is AP-approved. Trees will be planted throughout our city. I can't believe this! Yes! For our children!
Great spot.
Perfect!
Our city is changing.
Extending boom!
They're going to the rooftops.
Lifting to roof! It's working!
Look how beautiful our city is now. I can breathe so well now. The plants are beautiful.
We did it together!
I was wrong. This is wonderful.
One small tree, one small action. Together we changed everything. Thank you, Mom. I love our green